Making yogurt at home without a fridge is entirely feasible and can be done using simple tools and ingredients. Please subscribe. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Ingredients needed. Milk, 4 cups of whole milk. You can also use powdered milk. Yogurt starter, a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt that contains live cultures, or an alternative starter like green chili stalks or curdled milk. Equipment required. A pot for boiling milk. A thermometer, optional, but helpful. A medium-sized bowl. A larger bowl or a cooler for insulation. Dish towels or a thick blanket for warmth. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Prepare the milk. 1. Heat the milk. Pour the milk into a pot and bring it to a boil over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent burning. Once it reaches a boil, remove it from heat. 2. Cool the milk. Allow the milk to cool down to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit 43 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, test it with your clean finger. It should feel warm but not hot. Step 2. Combine with yogurt starter. 3. Mix in the starter in a separate bowl. Add your yogurt starter to the cooled milk. Stir well until fully combined. Step 3. Insulate and ferment. 4. Set up for fermentation. Place the bowl with the milk mixture into a larger bowl filled with hot water. This helps maintain temperature. Alternatively, you can use an insulated cooler filled with jars of hot water. Cover the bowls with lids or plastic wrap, then wrap them in dish towels or blankets to keep them warm. Step 4. Culturing. 5. Let it sit. Leave the setup in a warm place for about 6 to 10 hours. An oven with the light on or a warm spot in your kitchen works well. The longer you let it sit, the tangier it will become. Step 5. Check and store. 6. Check your yogurt. After about 6 hours, check if it has thickened. If not, let it sit longer until it reaches your desired consistency. 7. Transfer and store. Once set, transfer your yogurt into containers. If you're using it immediately, you can consume it fresh. Otherwise, store it in a cool place if possible. Tips for success. Using powdered milk. If using powdered milk, mix equal parts of powdered milk and water heated to around 110 degrees Fahrenheit before adding your starter. Alternative starters. If you don't have yogurt on hand, try using green chili stalks or curdled milk as starters for fermentation. Maintaining warmth. If you're in a cooler environment, consider wrapping your yogurt-making setup in additional towels or placing it near a heat source to maintain warmth during fermentation. By following these steps, you can successfully make yogurt at home even without refrigeration. Enjoy your homemade yogurt plain or with your favorite toppings. Please subscribe.